Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? I am currently in heaven, as you can see by the lighting right here. This is also the reason why I film at night. It's because of the light. That rhymed. Okay. Anyways, another part to the 7 Deadly Sins series. I'm finally gonna be doing Pride. I didn't get this one started for a while because I was waiting for my gemstones to come in. So I'm gonna be gluing all of these little boys on my face. I have a little bit of an idea what I'm gonna do, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna make it work yet. I ordered this plastic crown so I could cut it. So it looks pretty good on my face.
If you guys ever wonder why I always do voiceovers, this is why. I always go off topic over the tiniest things. I was literally looking at myself for like 10 minutes in this crown. Okay, back to the video.
Loyalty. Okay, either way, my original idea was to cut the crown and have the little pieces of it kind of like that, like if you cut it out this way, like stick out of my head, on my forehead, and they could be like kind of bloody. I'm really trying my best to make all the looks as scary as I can, but making them look good. It's a struggle. I have no idea how I can make lust scary. So if you guys have ideas for how I can make lust scary, go ahead and let me know. The light is really bright. What is this? Can the sun come down? What if I move the blinds? Okay, does this help? Okay, that helped. I literally just had to fix my blinds. Okay. As you all know, I'm gonna do a voiceover because if I don't do a voiceover, I just hit myself in the face. If I don't do a voiceover, I'm gonna talk way too much and it's not gonna be fun to watch because I'm gonna be going off topic. Or maybe that will be fun to watch. Let me know. I don't know what to do anymore.
But before we get started, today's shout out is going to Sherry Lockery. Go ahead and follow this little freak, you guys. Also, thank you for all the suggestions you guys left on my previous video. I will for sure be making some of those in the future. Yes. Before I started doing my look, I just took my lipstick off to, have a blank canvas. Then I am taking my favorite CC Beauty palette and I am starting to draw out the skull. I started off by drawing two little lines going away from my mouth and connecting them to my cheekbones with curved lines. And then I decided to give myself a little bit of those black eyes that, skulls have. I'm trying to keep all the lines to a minimum because I'm gonna have to cover all of them with little gems later. Then I started drawing the lines for the teeth. I started at the center of my lips and I started drawing more lines going away from that center. And I am extending these lines past my lips to make it, I don't know, more scary or something. Also, I am so sorry that half this time my hand is covering what I'm drawing. It's been really tough without my tripod. I'm doing the best I can. Then I drew more lines to sketch out the hollow parts of the skull. Once again, I'm trying to keep all the lines to a minimum because we're going to be covering them anyways. Then I added some more details just to, fill in the empty space. Then the time has come for the gems. Oh yes, I am using the Duo Lash Glue because it's basically the same thing as liquid latex, just not as strong. I basically just put a little dot of glue on every little gem and started sticking it onto my face with the tool that the gems came with. And oh my god, this took so long. But as you can see, I'm literally just putting it on top of all the lines that I drew. Let's skip forward to when I have most of the lines done. Same technique, just putting all the little gems on all the little lines. A lot of patience, a lot of precision required, and me with my shaky hands was struggling. But yeah, now I'm going in with some bigger gems to fill in the hollow areas. And yeah, using the same technique, putting little dots of glue on the back of each little gem and sticking them onto my face, just using a variety of different sizes this time. For the teeth, I basically did the same thing, but this time I started off with bigger gems at the base of each quote-unquote tooth and started going smaller and smaller as I get away from the base. And then I decided to add some bigger gems to my cheeks, just, to make it more bedazzled because I'm extra. And then I realized because I covered all the lines, my skull lost all of its definition and all of its lines. So I went in with some brown eyeshadow and I shaded all around all of the glitter. Then I took some more of that same brown eyeshadow and I just extended those teeth lines down and up a little bit more. And because I have zero patience, I actually gave up filling in the hollow parts of the skull with glitter. And I ended up just, you know, shading them in with even darker shade of that eyeshadow. You know, we gotta go with the flow. Things be like that sometimes.
I turned the lights on. Ooh, should have done that earlier.
After that nice little water break, I grabbed that plastic crown that I got on Amazon and I cut off 3 little pieces with different colors of the gems. And I am putting the middle piece with some latex. Love my latex, y'all know. But yeah, I'm putting a little dot of latex on my forehead, then sticking some cotton onto it and blending that cotton out with more latex and then sticking that crown piece onto my forehead and applying more latex on top of it and more cotton to make it secure and make it look like it's coming out of my skin. Then I am blending that cotton out with even more latex, oh yes. And then I did that same exact thing for the 2 other pieces on the sides of my head. After it dried for a little bit, I grabbed my foundation and I started going over that liquid latex. While I was doing this, it was still not fully dry and I should have waited longer, but I have no patience. I just went with it. And then I took some powder from Target and I just set all of that in so that it's not shiny. And then with some brown eyeshadow, I shaded around the top and the base of each of the crown piece to make it look like it's coming out of my skin. And I took some fake blood by Maron and also put some of that nice good fake blood at the base, or like where it's coming from my skin, to make it bloody and messy. And right after that, I took my spray blood. Now, I don't have any liquid blood, so that's why I'm using my spray one. I just opened it and I put it at the base of the jewels so that the blood drips down. Pretty self-explanatory. And then it was time for my white contacts. I love my white contacts. You guys already know I literally wear them in every look because like it adds so much to the look. But either way, I put those on and that is it. That was my whole entire look, you guys. Yes.
And thank you guys for watching all the way to the end. This time, I'm going to be picking a random comment to shout out in my next video. But regardless of that, I hope all of you amazing people have an amazing day. You know, feel free to subscribe, like, whatever, comment, you know, do your thing. I don't judge. Bye. Have a great day, you guys.